How to buy a washing machine on Lazada. Go to Facebook. Go to Jack Review Stuff's Facebook page. Profile. There we go. Damn it. Okay, install Lazada app. Log in with Facebook, of course. Come on, it's Facebook. Okay, try again. Click on the link. Good. Add to cart. Go to cart. Okay, very important. Check how many you have. I'm only buying one. Yep. Okay, deliver to this place. $40 delivery charge. Not too bad for a washing machine. Damn it, makes this. The hell's this? Spam. The spam. The spam. Okay, fine. 915123. Yay! Yup, 5 stars. Later. And it's done. Subscribe! I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today I ordered a washing machine. I mean, it's arriving today. Hello? Yeah, coming. I'm behind you. Hello. Yay! Washing machine delivery. Yay! Nice. Okay, let's go, man. Upstairs. Huh? Go there first. Huh? Me. Hi. I ordered a washing machine. Delivery is here. Is it okay? I just bring upstairs. The guy, washing machine guy. Thank you. Today is my first day using Auto ISO. I've never used Auto before. So the delivery lift is not working, so we use the normal one. Subscribe with the lift. Okay. Sorry. Okay. What floor is it? I forgot.
37.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. I bought it on Lazada.
Yeah.
Actually, do people buy a washing machine from Lazada often or not so much? Usually they buy online or offline washing machine.
Usually customer buying online.
Online.
Because it's much easier for them.
And then you deliver a lot or like one a day or one a week or?
Sometimes we deliver the freezer, chiller. All of them they buy from Lazada because it's much more cheaper.
I ordered this I think Monday. It's pretty good, like 1 week.
Yeah. For the sale, I think it's the gap for the time to deliver. They have informed inside the fact site.
Yeah. Actually, on Lazada, my side, it said pending, and you call me already.
Yeah.
It didn't say coming today. It said delivery 11 to 15.
Yeah.
Today 11.
11.
I say first day come already.
For the
7 is it? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, you go first.
Okay. Thank you.
It's awesome, man. What number? What
Eight.
number? 8. What number is this? That's 1.
This one.
Yes, let's go.
Check. Sini je.
Hi, washing machine delivery. Good morning. Hi. I'm a YouTuber, Jack from Jack Review Stuff. So I'm YouTubing the washing machine delivery. Can
So delivery for cleaning shop. Can you open up?
Yeah, unboxing soon. I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today is the Lazada Unbox for washing machine. Just by sheer pure luck and coincidence, the plumber is here today on day of delivery. Put on the table. That works. Yay. Unboxing. My YouTube channel. I need more content to get more subscribers. I just reached 1,000 like 2 days ago. Yeah. Don't worry, it's not showing your house, it's just showing like this box and the foot beside it. Yay! Washing machine. Okay, safety first. This is a 7 kg washing machine. It's a washing machine lah. Subscribe.